Hi guys, glad to have you back for another market analysis video. So let's quickly recap what we have discussed on Friday's video. So on Friday, what I was mentioning is if Bank Nifty futures gets accepted above 51,300 to 51,400, there is a good possibility Bank Nifty might go for 52,400 levels. So why this happens is that this is a strong balance which has been initiated by non-directional traders. Once the prices goes into the hands of again non-directional traders, again these people they come in and they try to take towards the other side of the balanced market, which is around 52,400 to 52,500, 600 plus. Today what happened is Bank Nifty has opened exactly at 52,000 and made a low at 51,720. It tested the single print, so it got rejected, and then it made a open test drive by closing above the opening price. So the price acceptance itself is within the value area of 12th November. So once a price gets accepted inside value area, the whole value area likely will be covered, because there is a almost 1,000 point gap up and move in the first 30 minutes itself. The prices went into a sideways market, which is very normal. And if you focus on order flow, what happened is the prices have closed above the volume clusters. If you look at, there are strong volume clusters and strong buying imbalances, indicating some big traders have come in around the lower levels. So as the prices comes down to their levels, they again try to buy again. So that is what happened. As the prices came down somewhere from 1145, this buyers again came in and pushed the prices upside. For tomorrow, what you should be looking is in market profile. If you look at this structure itself, it looks like a P profile. Look at this, the IB itself is very high, and the whole day the prices are spending at the IB high. So this indicates there is a strong short covering. So the idea of how you trade this short covering profile is that as the prices comes towards the buying tail, which is in a period, you look for buying opportunities. There is a good possibility of one more higher high. Let me give you my reason. The high itself is poor high, and at the same time, if you look at the value area itself has not been covered. There is a strong mechanical reference at 52,635 levels. This was supposed to cover long back. There was an attempt on third and fourth day, but that has failed because of strong sellers coming in. But because of these elections and all, it got postponed, and there is a good possibility this mechanical reference this time it will get revisited. You need to look for a acceptance above 52,400 level. A seller who have come previously around these levels, if he unwinds, there is going to be a very strong trend. Let's say suppose tomorrow Bank Nifty opens flat, and look for a acceptance below 52,200 levels. Any acceptance here, you will see PPOC at 52,150. Obviously, unlikely you will see 52,030 also is very much possible. For further any down move, you need to see acceptance below 51,550 levels. So this is where a strong single print is there. A acceptance below this level, then you might see a further down move all the way up down to Friday 22nd value area, and even further low is also very much possible. So this is with Bank Nifty, guys. Let's go back to Nifty here. Regarding Nifty futures, I was mentioning on Friday that there is a weak high at 23,965, and so likelihood the prices will revisit this area. And think about it, guys, the prices exactly got rejected at this level during the closing hour. So it says that there is a seller, some seller here. So if this seller unwinds, strong up move might be there. Instead of up move, this seller directly unwinded, and the prices opened strongly gap up of more than 300 points, and the prices itself has opened above the three single prints, whatever is there. Unlike Bank Nifty, Nifty doesn't have any kind of strong imbalances and all. So if you look at in the first 30 minutes or second 30 minutes, there is no buying imbalance on the right side. There is a poor auction at 24,365 future levels, and whenever you see this poor auction and the other side of the first 1 hour low is broken, you will see 100% range extension. 97 points is the first 1 hour, and if you look at the downside, the range extension is more than that 30 minutes, so it's more than 120 points. This works with 70 to 80% probability, and once the range extension is done, the prices again starts moving in the other direction to revisit the the poor auction areas, which is at 24,365 levels. So for tomorrow, what you should be looking is that today, if you look at the low itself, it has been made at 24,120 levels, and the prices have closed strongly above the volume clusters on the lower side. So this becomes your tomorrow good support area. For any kind of down move, you need to watch for 24,130 levels. Unless the prices closes on 30 minutes below this area, it's going to be a up move. So there is a good probability of gap up around this area. So any 30 minutes close above this 24,385 levels, any close above this 24,370 levels on any 30 minutes, and Nifty is going to make a higher high, and look for a acceptance about 24,440 to 450 levels. This is where previous supply has come, and any acceptance on this, about this, you will see the mechanical reference at 24,570 levels is almost pretty assured if it gets accepted inside the value area of 6th November, and you will also see 24,620 levels. For further up move, look for acceptance about 24,670 levels. So this is where 2 times rejection was there. So once the buyers come in and hit these sellers continuously for multiple times, these sellers at some point of time they will unwind. So unless some negative news comes into market again, it's going to, these sellers might unwind, and you will see easily again 24,830 levels, possibly by Friday maximum. For any kind of down move, look for a acceptance below 23,800 levels. So a acceptance below 23,800 levels, sellers will take control, because this is the first time, second time sellers took control. So third time also, if prices comes below, there is a good possibility they will take control and take a trade only below 23,750 levels. The reason is there is a single print here. So you will see the POC at 23,570 levels, and you will see second target at 23,320 levels. Let's say suppose tomorrow any kind of opening and closing of 30 minutes inside 24,300 levels, possibly somewhere around 24,400 to 24,120 levels, there could be a sideways market. So this is with Nifty, guys. For live market updates, you can join my Telegram channel, which I am attaching in the description, or if you are keen on learning order flow and market profile, just go through the playlist at the end of this video. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.